And we're back with the Google tutorials, Google Site tutorials. Now we're going to go on to create a page. So over here on the same menu, you chose your theme. You can still see we got themes up. Go over here to Pages. Right above one of the three, you got a home page. Go down here to the plus button. Looks like a piece of paper and a plus. You're going to say Add a Page. So let's call this our calendar page. And we can say Done. You'll see it pop up in your menu over here to the side whenever it's ready. Notice we still got the same theme as before. So your website is going to be the same thing at all times. Your pages are going to pop up here. You can add a logo if you want. Calendar, you can change your image if you want. You can upload it, select an image, all these type of things. Your header type, title only, large banner. See what happens when we change it to large banner. Picture gets bigger. Title only goes to calendar. So we're just here with a banner. And that's how you create a page. It's as simple as going to the menu, Pages, plus here, and add it. And all of a sudden you got what you need. That's all.